Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Horsepower, not the 250. Dumbass! What the? What the? Good job, buddy! Good job, man! Good job!
Give me a chance, bro. There was why wouldn't you give me a chance?
I need your insurance, brother. Come on, let's call the cops.
Decided it's not worth it, or they found another spot.
What are they doing?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Gosh, she's gonna hit you. Okay, stop, stop. Oh, that's why. Okay, that was kind of a jerk.
What was he doing?
This spot that he saw that car was backing up, so he was trying to get it.
I've got people behind me!
Sorry, that's my
Don't get in a fight. He's just a loser.
Howdy, y'all.
Yeah, okay. What the?
Wow. What the f are they doing?
Okay, Garmin, save video.
You see the stop sign? Asshole! Look at the stop sign, you cock. How it works, you dumbass.
Oh! Are you kidding me?
What the like, what the way?
Answered me. She didn't move, but she answered me. A couple minutes when I went back in, and she was. I said, Maggie.
Oh crap! What's that?
Embarrassingly similar to chimpanzees. Significant differences begin to appear only when we cross the threshold of 150 individuals. When we reach 1,000 to 2,000 individuals, the differences are
What are you doing?
If you tried to bunch together thousands of chimpanzees into a Tiananmen
Man. Holy shit.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.